Kid, you are fucking unbelievable. All you had to do was watch porn.
I didn't know he was gonna set himself on fire.
Hey.
What are we gonna do now?
Butcher? It's me. No, I'm afraid Hugh let our star witness burn himself to death.
Thank you.
Well, I don't know. What do you mean, no worries?
Like me, I've got it sorted.
You gonna stitch me up again?
He's at the airport. I promise.
You got a right bloody nerve, you do.
I didn't mean for it to go so bad. I'm sorry. You won't have to see him again. He ain't got much longer, a couple of months.
Tell me when it happens. I'll piss on his coffin.
I didn't do it for him. He's a cunt. I just thought, when you saw how helpless he is now, you'd let it go. He wouldn't have this hold over you, and you wouldn't become like... Yeah, well...
I told him I wasn't gonna cut my mom out of my life. That's it. And then the church and their internal research bureau leaked all this shit on me.
Eagle contends the church released a home video where his partner was dressed as a deer that Eagle hunted and mounted.
What?
Church spokeswoman Carol Manheim had this to say.
He's been spreading slanderous and defamatory rumors about our religion in a desperate attempt to stay relevant.
Trouble for Eagle may only
Fuck him.
just beginning.
Thought he was your friend. Hey, bartender, can we just change the channel? The hearing's almost on. Thanks.
This is forensic misinformation. It's important that someone tells the truth. Starlight?
I think she's off the grid.
Fucking find her. This bipartisan committee is called to order. Investigating Vought International and its production and distribution of Compound V, which I hereby present to the committee as
This is it.
Mr. Chairman, if I may.
The testimony we're about to hear today will prove that Vought is guilty of corporate malfeasance and multiple felonies. And it'll come from someone that has witnessed these crimes directly.
The chair calls former CSO of Vought, Dr. Jonah Vogelbaum. Okay. Quiet, everybody. Quiet.
Gotcha, cunt.
Dr. Vogelbaum, thank you for joining us today. Raise your right hand. Do you swear that the testimony you're about to give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You have 5 minutes to make your opening statement.
What the fuck do we do now?
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. JoBlo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.